Hi there, it's me, Vampire Bear, for AskVampireBear.blogspot.com. We are here in an exquisite coffee roasting and tasting facility, and we have here Sir Jim Hutchinson, who has a question for me. Jim, you're going to ask me something?
Yes, Vampire Bear. I was wondering, what do I do? I can't stop thinking about coffee because I work with it all day, and I'm addicted to it, not just in beverage, but in drinking. I can't stop thinking about it. It's overwhelming. And you see all my coffee-related stuff that I work with every day. I'm just obsessed. It's coffee, coffee, coffee.
That is a very interesting question. Have you ever had anything besides coffee to drink?
Well, sure. When I was a kid, I had other beverages, milk, lemonade. Around the age of 14, I started drinking coffee, and here I am now.
Well, I would have to say that the first step in overcoming your obsession with coffee is to drink some tea. Specifically black tea, because tea is something that you can add milk and sugar to, and you will have a lovely caffeinated experience while not actually drinking coffee. And tea comes in many varieties, such as Earl Grey, Lapsang Souchong, Pu'er, and many others. What do you think of that?
That sounds great. I think I'm going to go now, after I put this stuff down, to the store, and I will buy some. Thank you, Vampire Bear.
You're very welcome. That's me, Vampire Bear, for AskVampireBear.blogspot.com. Bye for now.